In this video, let's see how to stop eBay sending emails or offers. First, go to ebay.com and log into your account. In the navigation bar, click on Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account section, select Communication Preferences. Click on Edit next to Buying Activity under the Buyer section. Here, in the Account Preferences section, you can turn off or adjust notification types like promotions or alerts by opening your communication preferences in eBay settings, where you'll see categories such as marketing emails, activity updates, reminders, and seller alerts. Then simply switch off anything you no longer want to receive or change the frequency to fewer emails. Make sure you click Save so the system updates and eBay stops or reduces those notifications. That's all. This is how to stop eBay sending emails.